Yep, day 35 of the move. Going after it. Getting it. Just when you thought it was over. Another $4,000, actually $4,500 in pallet racks. Got all the Pro Deck on. Still got to finish those two. Put pressure on there. Everybody's covered. Fully functional. Back to normal again. I love it. Here's the test bench. Get tons, you got plenty. Day 43. All the tools and test bench today. Non-stop. Steady as she goes. You're looking good. Woo. You're out. Keep her coming. Yeah, set her down. You're looking good. Right there's good. I'll push it in the rest of the way. A little before action on the lobby. Just some plain white walls, nothing too special. We got Joseph gonna handle all that though here in a second. The glass cases for the lobby. There you go. Beautiful. I think it goes like this. Trying to remember. That's good. Tuck that thing right over here. Okay, we're out here for the day. Don't mind that, I just set the alarm. But yeah, we're official. We got the Des Moines Engineering SMD up. Glass cases. Little paint on the walls. I got my office under construction. Starting to take shape. But one thing every office needs is a desk, and we ain't doing the trash can with a circle on it anymore. We got a custom desk from Gately Audio. Yeah. Sick as shit. Look at this fucking desk.
It's a fucking unit. Desk.
Gately Audio. Little win. Gately Audio and furniture.
Fuck, sometimes.
Desk is 8 by 12. It's gigantic. Day 47. Lasering on them. That's the Burger King. 4 benches. Packed to the gills with tools and boxes, equipment. You had to look, you had to get in front of us so you could look. Come on, lady. Oh, damn. Oh, shit, that's full. Full engulfment. Perfect, huh?
Yep.
What day is it? Day 50? Set her down wherever, it's got wheels. Yeah. Day 51. Almost to the big machines. Laser's almost ready to go.
Underneath the caster?
No, underneath the metal foot, if there is one on that side.
I don't got metal feet over here. Not bad. At least there's no rain.
You can see day 51. We got the desk. We got the towers. It's still messy in here. We are far from being even close to being done. But this is our progress so far. Got the toolboxes in. Got the lift. Got shelves. Got the test bench. All my welding stuff over there. Super messy in here. We ain't done. We ain't done. But we got the laminator, the embroidery machine, the big sticker cutter, the big cutter, and some computers, some printers. We got a whole pallet full of stuff. We got the heat shrink machine and the press and everything that's not out yet. T-shirt machine. .3D printers. They're gonna go over here on a little shelf. Far from done, but this is where we're at. More shelves. Fastenal bins. Lasers. We got the 3 markers. We got the 2 CO2s. The 3rd CO2 is gonna go over here somewhere. And the CNCs are gonna be out here somewhere. As soon as I move some more stuff out of my way. There is lots more room in here than what it looks like. It is getting packed on camera. That's not that bad. These trailers are gonna be gone. And that's where we're at right now. Should be looking pretty good by the time you guys see the next episode. Be out.